The lost train ticket. Anna lived in a small town. She liked quiet mornings and the sound of birds in the trees. Her house was near the train station, and every day she saw trains arrive and leave. One summer morning, she decided to take a trip to the big city. She wanted to see the museum, walk in the park, and buy books from a famous shop. Anna packed her small blue bag. She put inside a bottle of water, a sandwich, an umbrella, and her favorite notebook. She wore a light dress and a hat because the sun was already warm. At the train station, she bought a ticket. The ticket was white with black letters, and it said, "Train to City, 9:15 a.m." Anna smiled. She was excited. She sat on a wooden bench, waiting for the train. The air smelled of coffee from a small cafe. People walked quickly, carrying bags, talking on phones, and checking their watches. A family with 2 children sat near her. A man with a newspaper stood against the wall. Anna looked at everyone and tried to imagine their stories. She liked to do that. When the clock showed 9:10, the train arrived. It was long, with silver doors and many windows. People hurried to get in. Anna stood up, reached for her ticket, and stopped. The ticket was not in her hand. She looked in her bag. She looked in her pocket. She checked the floor near the bench. The ticket was gone. Her heart started to beat faster. The train made a loud sound, ready to leave. Anna searched again, pulling everything out of her bag. Sandwich, notebook, umbrella, but no ticket. People entered the train. The family with children got inside. The man with the newspaper also went in. The doors closed slowly. Anna stood outside, confused and worried. The train left the station, and Anna felt her trip was lost. She sat back on the bench and tried to stay calm. Maybe she dropped the ticket on the ground. She searched again. Nothing. Maybe the wind took it. She looked around. The platform was empty now. Only a cleaner was sweeping near the cafe. Anna walked to the cafe. She asked the worker if someone saw a ticket. The worker shook her head. No ticket here. Anna thanked her and went back. The cleaner came closer and smiled. Looking for something? He asked. Anna nodded. Yes, a train ticket. The cleaner pointed to his cart. On the cart, under a small paper, lay a white ticket. Anna's face lit up. She thanked the cleaner and took the ticket. But when she looked at the clock, it was already 9:25. The train was gone. She sighed. Then she saw the ticket again. It was not her ticket. It was a different one. It said, "Train to Mountain Village, 9:45 a.m." Anna felt surprised. She had planned to visit the city, but now she held a ticket to another place. She thought for a moment. She could buy another city ticket, or she could try something new. The idea of a mountain village sounded strange but exciting. She smiled. Maybe this is a little adventure, she said to herself. So she kept the ticket and waited. At 9:45, a smaller train came. It looked older, with green paint and narrow windows. Few people entered it. Anna showed the ticket to the conductor and sat near the window. The train moved slowly, passing fields, rivers, and small houses. Anna watched cows eating grass, farmers working, and children waving. She waved back and laughed. After 1 hour, the train reached the mountain village. The air was cool and fresh. The station was tiny, with only one bench and a wooden roof. Anna stepped out and looked around. The mountains were tall, covered in trees. A small path went into the forest. She followed it, curious about where it would go. The path led to a clear river. The water was bright and fast, making a soft sound. Anna sat on a rock and ate her sandwich. She wrote in her notebook, "Today I lost my ticket, but maybe I found a better journey." She felt peaceful. She walked more and found a small market in the village. People sold cheese, fruit, and handmade things. A woman sold honey in glass jars. Anna bought one. The woman gave her a smile and said, "Welcome." Anna smiled back. She felt happy. The day passed quickly. Anna walked through the village streets, saw old houses, and listened to birds. The sun went down and the mountains turned orange. She returned to the train station and waited for the evening train back home. On the way, she thought about her day. She had wanted the city, but she found the mountains instead. When Anna returned home that night, she felt different. She had a story to tell, not about museums or big shops, but about rivers, honey, and a quiet place in the hills. She realized sometimes losing something can lead to something better. From that day, whenever she planned a trip, she remembered the lost ticket and smiled.